guys, what is up? It's your girl Samira. In this video, guys, I'm going to give you guys a little introduction on HFX since I am bringing it on this platform. I'm super excited to bring this to you guys. So before we get into this video, guys, please, if you haven't already, please go ahead and go like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel because it is what? It is free, F-R-E-E. Also, if you haven't gotten a chance to, go ahead and go follow me on all of my social media platforms such as Instagram, as well as TikTok and Snapchat. Sorry guys, I just had a brain fart. But let's get into this video. So what is HFX? HFX simply is high frequency forex. That's pretty much what it is, guys. Literally, high frequency forex is another way of getting into the foreign exchange market. Okay, so the only difference between HFX and forex is that with HFX you literally can start making money within seconds to minutes, whereas in forex you could potentially make money in 1 minute, but it's gonna take a little bit more time to actually start seeing your profits. With HFX, it's literally within seconds to minutes, like for real. Now there is moments that you can go ahead and go into the market and make money within 3 minutes, 5 minutes, or whatever the case may be, but the HFX stands for high frequency forex, meaning that you can literally make your profits in a short amount of time compared to forex. And what I like about HFX compared to forex is that, hey, you may see that basically your favorite pair is in a consolidation state. And as I stated to you guys previously in my last video, consolidation is a very unique point. It's a very unique zone to go ahead and trade. I honestly use consolidation zones, consolidation areas, anything consolidation. I use that not just in forex but also in HFX. With HFX, guys, it's more so on the price action level. Now with forex, it's just the same, but it's more so on the candles compared to HFX. With HFX, guys, it's mostly on the price action levels, meaning that if you see that it is not going to go above this one level, you can go ahead and potentially go in for a call. Okay, you can potentially go in for a put, and there's many different terminologies with HFX, but it's not as bad compared to HFX. I mean to forex. So with HFX, the terminologies that you're mostly going to hear a lot is with calls and puts. With forex, you're going to mostly hear about buys and sales. So mostly with your calls and puts, is going to be, your call is going to be your buy and your put is going to be your sell. So as I stated to you guys before, you may have a number, just for instance, let's say you are trading EUR/USD on a 1 minute time frame. Okay, 1 minute time frame, you probably just want to do a call for 30 seconds, right? So you go into the market, and let's say the level, I'm just making up the level, right? The level, you see that is in a consolidation level. So you see that every time it's at 1.310, it always shoots up, right? It does not want to go past our support line. Now you may see every time that it hits 1.310, hey, I'm going to go in for a call, simply because it always hits this price line area and it automatically shoots up. It never wants to push back down, ever. That is your time to go in for a call. And guys, literally in 30 seconds, you have made your money. Now, the thing of HFX is that it's not necessarily you're betting your money. I would say, you know what, I'm not going to say you're betting your money, but you're risking your money. Okay, so pretty much you're basically saying to the market, hey, I know for a fact that at this level 1.310, I'm gonna go in for a call and I'm risking to either lose or gain 20 bucks. So you'll go into that market and you'll press 20 bucks and then you'll go ahead and put for a call right at that price level line. Automatically, you're waiting for 30 seconds. Now, these 30 seconds are the most crucial time of your life because not only are you about to have an anxiety attack at the computer, but you're like, hey, what's going on? Because all you see is basically your candles just moving up and down, pacing at that price level line that you have. And when that candle is actually above your call level that you placed it at, and it's specifically still above that line until the time expires, hey, you won your money and you did not lose. Now, if you lose, you lost what you were risking. So the thing is with HFX, what I like about it is that you already have an idea of what you're going to gain or what you're going to lose. Now, the only thing about HFX is that it's not based off pips. With pips, you're more so looking into the Forex market. That's Forex, right? With HFX, you're more so looking at, hey, I'm gonna risk. You can lose $1. You can gain $1. That's the lowest amount that you can gain or lose, right? So you may say, hey, I just want to test out the markets. Let me try out $1. You can do that. And you can see if this strategy is working for you. Now with Forex, it's not necessarily, oh, I want to lose $1. You're more so calculating your pips. Thing that I like about HFX is that everything is kind of just calculated. You're just mostly doing your analysis of the chart. And why I say, guys, it's so important to understand the Forex market because it's literally the same thing. You're just more so focusing on the price action level. So that's why I said, guys, it's very important that you guys go ahead and go start following my other channel, SNL University YouTube channel, simply because I will have both myself and my mentor getting on to this HFX platform and being able to show you guys two different perspectives of how to get into the market with HFX and being able to profit from HFX as well as Forex, guys. So I just wanted to give you guys a really small introduction about HFX and what I am bringing to this channel with HFX, because it's going to be super amazing, because I'm also adding HFX with the correlation of providing you guys Forex. So that pretty much concludes this video, guys. I just wanted to let you guys know about HFX and to get excited for it. Look out for the next video on how to set up your HFX account, because not only are you guys going to be profitable in these Forex markets, but you're also going to get money from the HFX market, because here, guys, here at my channel, y'all already know I gotta put y'all on. I have to put you guys on because I understand. So if you haven't already, guys, go ahead and go follow your girl, subscribe to your girl's channel, because it is what? It is free, FREE. Peace.